Game na! This is the face that everybody should have.
Wow! Ganda-ganda! Ganda-ganda sa self!
Okay, give me your...
O, diba? Ganyan.
This is the creation of the Lord.
Hindi, pinaghirapan to ni Lord.
Yes, parang He took His time
Exactly.
doing this face.
Exactly. Ang dami niyang ingredients.
It looks like effortless. Parang simple.
Ayos ka ba talaga?
Parang naturally maganda ka. Sorry.
Exactly.
It's just Mia. Sa akin is Rose Sparkle together with Man Eater. Because when you eat a man, you sparkle.
Ay! Matry nga yun.
Diba? At iba yung energy kapag feeling mo maganda ka sa araw na yon. Iba yung nabibigay niya sa yung boost of confidence. So if you know what I mean, and you know that you can relate. Hello mga tao! My God, alam mo hindi ko alam kung ready na ako para sa gagawin natin today.
Ay, ako ready na ako.
Ay,
Joy.
parang ikaw na lang to. Parang dapat ready talaga tayo dito. So, okay. Ready na ako. I'm super ready.
I am super excited kasi we are finally here at the BYS studio.
Bigyan.
Ano yun?
Dapat pag sinabi niya yung BYS studio, BYS dapat studio.
Exactly.
Studio.
Yes.
So hello everybody, I'm Joy. Thank you so much for inviting me today para makipagchikahan. This is the job I love doing. Makipagchikahan.
Makipagkwento lang.
True. Yapper.
And I am Bea at nakaka-excite because we're literally the first faces. Oh my God! Bakit tayo? Hindi ko alam.
Faces of the moon. Grabe, first faces tayo of the BYS studio. This is the pilot episode. So, kung may mali man tayong magawa, of course, wala pa kayong pagbabasihan. We are the standard. We are going to be your baseline and the benchmark, the trendsetter.
Kami ang
trailblazer.
standard.
Yes.
So today, let's test something out. Can makeup fix your life? Or does it give you the main character energy?
I hope it can fix my life dahil sobrang messy niya.
Ay,
So,
naman.
of course, makeup can just magically fix your life, but it can make you feel like you're a different person
True.
in a good way. And that's what I love about doing makeups.
Nakaka-main character, di ba? Yung you're all glammed up.
Oo naman, iba yung energy kapag feeling mo maganda ka sa
True.
araw na yon. Iba yung nabibigay niya sa yung boost of confidence. So if you know what I mean, you know that you can relate to this. So minsan 'di ba, alam mo parang bida ka kapag ang ganda ng makeup mo. Parang kang main character pero in reality background character ka lang pala. But a character is a character, an extra kahit sa movie or plot man yan or storyline, you matter in the story. So make sure that you're always slayable.
Diba?
Yes.
Pero diba, if for me, iba rin yung effect once you start feeling like the main character of your own life. Like, kahit ordinary day nagawa, pero sabi mo, titignan mo yung sarili mo sa mirror na parang, wow, bahala ko ng Diyos eh.
Oh my
O diba,
God.
ganyan.
This is the creation of the Lord.
Hindi, pinaghirapan to ni Lord.
Yes, parang He took His time
Exactly.
doing this face.
Exactly. Ang dami niyang ingredients na
Diba?
pinasok.
Kaya kahit wala akong budget, kahit pagod ako, kahit walang ganap, alam kong maganda ako kasi ang ganda ng-
Exactly!
This is the face that everybody should have.
Ay, ganda-ganda! Ganda-ganda sa self! But okay, I have a question. Ate Joy. Ate Joy? Sorry, Joy na lang.
It
Joy na lang,
hurt,
Joy na
pero
lang.
I think makeup can fix that.
Do you think makeup can give confidence?
Oo naman, it gives you confidence, it gives you the audacity and the delusion.
Delusion? Delusion ka ba? Delusion ka ba?
Yes, premonition lang ako. Hindi ako to.
Pero delusional ka ba?
Oo naman, I give myself that delulu moment every time. Kasi if delulu is the new sululu.
Ay, exactly. At kailangan kahit na feeling mo pangit ka, kailangan paniwalaan mong maganda ka.
Oo, what the mind thinks, the body
It
acts.
manifests.
It acts talaga. So
It
I think I'm
manifests
beautiful to me.
Mm.
True.
Diba?
So, powerful ang thoughts natin. So if you think you're beautiful,
You are beautiful.
True.
With our base makeup
Yes.
is done. So, eyes muna, no?
Yes.
Gawin natin. But, I have a question. What is go-to look when you need to feel like
the main character. Ako, I go for one shade na glitter.
Glitter.
Yes, something that is very shiny.
Shining, shimmering,
Yes,
splendid.
I feel like kapag tumingin ka dapat sa mata ko, parang, ay, shiny siya. Ako lang to. Pero parang, there's something in her, hindi ko masabi. Kasi it's just like a subtle change
exactly.
sa eyes mo. Pero it really makes like a whole lot of difference.
Yes.
So I do like the shimmer lang sa
Shimmery.
mata ko. So, enough na sa akin yung brown tones and then top it with like the shimmer. Ganda.
Glitter lang.
Yes, I feel like my
Pakak na pakak.
my eyes can speak a lot of messages.
Kasi your eyes are the windows to your
So, yes, or the windows to your house.
Akit bahay pala ang papasok.
Ang gagawin kong look today is something that is PR approved, meaning
PR
I'm
approved.
thriving, I'm successful, I'm fully booked, I'm blessed. Booked and blessed. Dapat ang aking eye look for today is something that screams, wow, meron na naman siyang ganap today. Ganon.
I love that. Kailangan ganun eh.
True.
You have to mimic it in your physical appearance.
Tama.
Your busy schedule kasi busyness means you're blessed.
Truly. So today, I'm gonna be doing my makeup na alam nyo, pag nakita niyo ako, may ganap na naman siya. Hindi talaga siya nauubusan ng ganap sa buhay. So parang, alam mo yung energy na parang, wow, this girl, she manifested it, it came true to her, at syempre, kaya na natin humarap at kumusap ng tao because of that look.
Okay.
So this is what I'm gonna use. This is the B1S Shadow Color Palette. And the shade, because this is summer, sun-kissed.
Sun-kissed.
Sa panahon
Sige, ako
ngayon, sun na lang kumikiss sa atin.
Ay.
Okay, so they have brown tones. At ang ganda nito kasi yung brown tones niya, may shimmer na. In a way.
Yan nga no.
Yes. So
Gusto
I'll
ko yung mga ganito
be
eh.
your crying show.
Show.
I'll be using
I'll be
the brown
sorry.
tone muna. To give depth lang sa aking mata.
Parang gusto kong gayahin yung iyo eh.
Go lang, girl. Gayahin mo lang ako. Basta pag nasira ang buhay mo, walang sisi.
Ay, grabe. Hindi ikaw yung
Ay,
sisisi ko,
perfect.
Miss Joy.
Alam mo, mas gusto kong kinakamay yung makeup.
Ay, oo nga, try natin.
Pero
Baka
in
mas
fairness, pag ginanyan niyo siya, wala siyang walang masyadong fallout, which I love.
I love the color. Wait
I
lang.
love. Diba? That's, like, subtle lang
Gusto ko
siya.
swatch. Ay, ang ganda.
Subtle, but very evident na may changes na ito. Oh, and the texture.
Oh, di ba?
Ganyan lang siya. Gusto ko lang yung mga brown tones kasi parang ano siya, it looks like effortless. Parang
simple.
Like, ayos ka ba talaga?
Yeah.
Or naturally maganda ka? Sorry.
Exactly.
It's just me.
I have a question for you. Like, do you prefer na parang pakak na pakak yung makeup or medyo like...
Depends on the event. If it's just like a
Yes.
casual day, I want people to see me look like I'm put together.
like presentable.
Oo, pero not to the extent na, ay ate, ang aga-aga, ang kapal ng lashes mo. Para ka pupunta ng party. So gusto ko lang yung look na
Yes.
parang effortlessly beautiful.
Mm-mm.
Yung parang pag nakita ka, may makeup ka ba? O maganda ka lang talaga.
Yung parang I woke up like this.
It's for you to find out. Natural yan. Natural yung mga creases ko sa mata. Natural makeup.
No, pero same, ganun din ako. Minsan gusto ko parang malabais ganda na makeup, yung nakatang siya sa concert. Kaya ganun kapak yung makeup.
Kapa ka. Ako yung mga pa drag queen.
Oo.
Parang fantasy ko din minsan yung magmukhang Beyonce.
Oo, magpa-crazy in love tayo
Yeah,
dito.
tapos with the hangin and all
Sasayaw-
that.
sasayaw kung
Pero
ganyan.
today, dahil feeling lang natin is the main character energy on a day-to-day basis.
Yes.
Ito ang gagawin kong look.
I love it when it's natural lang kasi yung parang kakagising ko lang pero wow, ang
Yes,
ganda ko.
like kakagising ko lang, pero ganda.
Exactly. You put a little effort but then it's not too much.
True.
Sometimes you don't have the time and the energy also
And
eh.
then, I put this yung shimmer dito sa
Inner.
inner.
Okay, I'll try.
It changes the whole look. Makes you look more awake. I'm alert, awake, enthusiastic. Ganun yung feeling ko.
Bakit nagiging kapangano na tayo dito?
So, yan. Parang ano lang, yung look natin, very simple, pero something that screams, oh wow, she's very well put together. She knows she's beautiful.
Exactly.
She knows how to get ready and to get done.
Exactly.
And that's me. That's the goal.
Kailangan you know that you're beautiful eh.
Oo naman. I feel like nagmamanifest din kasi siya on how you do your makeup. Kapag
Oh,
alam mong
yeah.
maganda ka and you know your features,
Yeah, exactly.
you know what to highlight. As for me,
Yes.
alam ko talaga na ang feature ko
Yes.
na maganda, yung eyes ko. So, I make sure na kahit yung blush placements, dapat parang ang naha-highlight talaga niya, yung
The
mata.
eyes.
So, I do lagi yung inner corners ko ng mata. Kasi I know that it gives more character to the look. Kahit pa, kita niya yan, simple lang yung pagka-brown nung shadow. But, the personality that this inner eye makeup gave me is something that screams a main character. Like, parang, wow,
Exactly.
straight out of a fashion magazine.
Na parang
Agad-
ikaw si Gigi Hadid.
Yes. Ang goal ko today, ako si
Sino?
Anne Hathaway.
Ako si Meryl Streep. Ganun.
Good.
Why
That's
not?
all.
Why not?
That's all. Ayan. Diba? So, brown-brown lang siya. Tapos, yung pagka-brown niya, very subtle. So, hindi mo sure kung naka-eyeshadow ako or natural yan. But then again, sabi ko sa inyo, it's natural makeup. So, I'm not gonna tell you that I'm wearing makeup. You're just gonna know it. Or you won't ever if you don't know how to take a look. Pero ang ganda. Yeah.
Can I see?
Ay, diba? So, next step for our makeup. This one, I don't really like to forget. Kasi
Yeah,
it gives my
it's super
face
important.
dimension. It gives my face character. And it gives my face the look of either being an angel or being sun-kissed dead. Just like my eyeshadow.
Gusto ko kasi yung feeling na parang hindi ako in love, pero mukhang in love ako kasi nagbablush ang face.
Ay, true.
Ganon.
Ako gusto ko yung parang ano lang, straight out of the gym. Parang, wow, she has a very active lifestyle. She is a Pilates girly.
Pilates
Ang Pilates girly. Kasi diba yung mga nagpipilates, pag lumalabas sila
Pula-pula.
ng gym studio, namumula talaga
Yeah,
sila.
yeah.
Kasi the workout is intense.
Yes.
So dahil hindi ako pala workout, at gusto ko lang yung feels, at gusto ko yung clout ng nag-workout, magpipilates
Magpa-blush ka.
girly blush tayo. Eye shade is Sweet Apple.
Aww.
So this is what I like to use. Kasi this one, parang very warm siya. Knowing that my skin is somewhere in the middle. Hindi ako super fair skin. Hindi rin naman ako morena. So parang olive toned ako.
Yeah.
So if you are super fair skin, alam mo yung parang mga angel type of look ng mga
Yes.
artista ngayon
Yes.
whenever they do their makeups, go for the flirty pink. Pero as for me, dahil everyday look ko lang to, and gusto ko lang mag-wonder kayo if I have a makeup or not, I'm gonna use this. The Sweet Apple shade.
I also use this kasi parang, for me yun nga diba I was saying like I'm type B. So I need something na parang, kaya ko lang kunin, tas lalabas ako ng bahay, and I love doing my makeup in the car. I don't know if you do the same. Kasi nga nagmamadali ako palagi.
True. So dapat parang compact na. Lahat
Yeah.
ng kailangan mo. Alam mo, this is, diba? Parang
O diba, ang ganda.
cutesy lang. Wala masyadong difference eh.
Yeah.
And look at my finger. Wala din masyadong residue kasi nandito talaga siya sa
I also like na parang pwede kong it lifts up my face. Because you know sometimes, like if you don't fix your face, parang medyo narag and then it looks like it's like drooping. I don't know if you experienced that.
Oo.
Diba?
It actually blush fixes that.
Right?
Kasi yung blush, it either lifts your face up or kapag maganda yung blush na ginamit mo, it brightens up your skin.
Exactly.
Yung
That's
iba,
why I need it.
ako, sometimes I use yung lighter shade of pink, ito, sa flirty pink, kasi yung sa under eye, pag ginamit mo siya, parang nawawala yung eye bags ko.
Ah, talaga?
True. I'll show you. Wait.
Okay.
So this is what I use lang for my cheek.
I wanna try na the other colors eh.
Ayan.
Ang dami kasing to choose from.
Diba, nilagyan ko pati yung ilong ko. So, para lang akong, galing siyang gym. She is so sporty. She is so active. I want that lifestyle. Okay, girl.
Miss Joy, okay, because diba we were making kwento about
Yes.
like how makeup helps us feel confident, ganyan. Pero ikaw, for you, do you have a particular moment where you can say that, okay, I was giving main character every day?
Oo, kapag nakasakay ako sa sasakyan, tapos nagpi-play yung loud music, and then nakikita ko yung
Ah.
reflection ko sa side mirror, parang, girl, who is she? Like, music video level siya for me. Honestly, wala talaga siya sa big moments eh. Wala siya kapag nasa
True.
stage. Because I'm usually on stage,
Yeah.
lalo na kapag nag-host ako ng events. Pero I always feel na I'm beautiful kapag sa side mirror ng sasakyan. Nasa passenger seat ako, lalo na kapag naka-windows down, oh my God, and the hair, tapos hinahangin-hangin. Tapos ang ganda ng music, like,
Yung umaawa-awa
making
ka
my way
lang.
downtown, walking fast.
Hindi ko na alam yung lyrics. Hold down.
Paano yun? Feeling ko, ang ganda-ganda ko.
Yeah, it's really in the simple moments kasi. Parang you don't need to have so much ganap to feel na parang kaya kong i-conquer ang world.
True. Tsaka sabi nga nila, you have to be used to making yourself beautiful. Put in an
Yes.
effort, kahit wala kayong
Yes.
ganap for a day.
Yes.
Para you don't suck. Tsaka
Yeah.
para you give yourself that pride moment na,
Yeah.
kahit wala akong gagawin,
Gagawin.
I take care of myself. So yan. Diba? Subtle lang yung effect
Yeah.
niya sa akin. Pero it brightens up my under eye. Pero not to the extent na parang, alam niyo yung mga concealer na, ate, humihiwalay na yung ulo mo.
Sobrang kataw.
Sa sobrang puti. So what I use is blush. Lighter shade of blush. I put it on my under eye. Tapos, ang blush ko lagi is something that is warmer. To just give my, give my face that dimension.
Right.
Diba? Parang 3D, 2D,
Right.
whatever it is 4 dimension.
4D.
4D, 4D.
Gumagalaw pala ng ganun.
Diba? So, yeah. Anyways, so this is what I look now with the
Yes.
cream blush and the cream to powder finish.
But okay, I personally feel the most confident sometimes when I put on my makeup. Like, right now, di ba?
True.
Nag-start tayo with the base, tas
True.
nag-eyes, tas ngayon may cheeks na. So, feel ko talaga na parang confident ako.
Yes, alam niyo yung
Right.
parang you are a new person, you change, pero for the better. That's the power of makeup for me. And knowing me kasi, I'm very, very vocal sa mga tao na before, I used to have a lot of acne marks. So, makeup's really my best friend.
Yeah.
So, it gives me that extra boost, that extra push na, girl, kahit may tigyawat ka, kayang itago yan ng makeup. And
Exactly.
it can enhance your beauty.
Yeah.
And still look as beautiful as ever by just doing the right makeup.
Yeah. And like, I feel like I have days rin. I'm sure, I don't know, baka naman nag-assume ako,
Yes.
no? But like, there are days where like, I really don't feel the best, right?
Yes.
May mga days na ganun. Kasi normal, ako si Jesus na
Oo,
pwede.
parang hindi ako na si Jesus nga, nagagalit siya, umiyak siya.
Exactly.
So, kami din. So, ako, meron akong tinatawag na emotional support blush. So, whenever
support
I have, like, I'm having a bad day, feeling ko ang
Yeah.
tsaka-tsaka ko, blush on na ang katapat niyan.
Yeah.
Maganda na ako.
Kaya na, I can conquer the day.
Yes,
Ganon.
it elevates actually your look. Kasi makeup naman doesn't fix your insecurity. If
Yeah.
anything, it makes you like, it makes it aesthetic lang. Ay, may tigyawat ako. Go tago ko yan with my makeup. Ganyan. So, yun lang
True.
siya for me. Ay, may fine lines. Kaya yan ang aking blush and concealer. Diba? Ay, parang medyo dull looking yung face ko.
Yeah.
May blush on ako for that. So,
Diba?
yun lang siya. It assists you.
It's an enhancer.
True.
Ganon.
It's an enhancer, it's an investment, it's something that you guys should have in your life. So it's a non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable. Sana lahat ng lalaki ganito na lang, diba?
Non-negotiable.
Oo, non-negotiable. They have it all. Ganon.
So here is my look with just the blush and
Okay.
super simple eye makeup, diba? Main character energy.
Energy.
The energy.
But then, okay, here, for you, I have a good question.
Mhm.
What for you, though, is like, how you can really achieve main character energy kasi. Kasi main character energy, di ba, ang daming feeling na main character
Yes.
sila.
Mhm.
They feel like they exude it, but how does one really embody main character energy, would you say?
Feeling ko yung pagiging main character is not something that you plan na, ay, parang magiging main character
Yeah.
for today. It's the energy you exude. It means that when you have a main character energy, you don't care about what anybody would ever say to you. So you don't need to have a reason to feel pretty kasi you believe that you already are pretty. And alam mo yun, na parang, alam ko na sa sarili ko na I'm this. I look like this. I can deliver this. I can actually give this and put this on the table.
Yes.
So I'm not doubting my capabilities. So it gives me that aura. Diba? Plus aura points kasi when you don't need to prove yourself to anyone,
Yes.
they just see it in you.
Yeah. Agreed. Kasi I think also being a main character, wala din yan sa physical attributes lang. Of course, makeup is there to help you nga enhance
True.
your God-given gifts, your
True.
natural features. Because that's what you need, diba?
True.
But, aanhin mo kasi yung ganda mo kung mas maugali.
Actually, buti
Right?
sana kung nami-makeupan yung mga puso
Oo,
or
exactly.
kaluluwa natin. Tsaka alam niyo yung makeup, hindi naman siya nakakapagbigay ng confidence
Yes.
actually. It actually enhances
Yes.
that. Ang binibigay niya sa'yo is extra boost. So
Yeah.
yourself gives you the confidence.
Yes.
Kasi makeup,
It just
andyan lang
helps.
siya to
It's a
help
tool,
you.
diba?
Oo. Hindi naman porket naglagay ako ng blush and wow, confident na ako.
Oo.
You really have to believe that you
Yes.
are beautiful.
Because it starts within.
Oo. Tsaka alam mo, ito pa, sobrang gusto ko tong take na to kasi I feel like it's very controversial. Kasi people think that when you do your makeup, ay, ang dami ko kailangan bilhin. No.
True.
Being beautiful using makeup and boosting that confidence using makeup is not expensive. It doesn't have to be expensive. Dapat marunong ka lang. Dapat alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mo.
Tama.
As for me, ang kailangan ko, eyeshadow, blush, and a perfect shade of lipstick. And syempre, kaya nga to BYS, it reminds you to be yourself. And
Ganon.
that's the goal of doing your makeup. So I'm just gonna elevate my look even more.
Yeah, okay. I will also put
With this
lipstick
shade.
then. Gagaya.
Alam mo kung bakit gusto ko tong shade na to from BYS?
Bakit?
Kasi it's Man-Eater.
Man-eater!
Yes, loving that energy for me.
Kailangan ganun eh.
Oo, kasi some people think na nagpapaganda kami para sa mga lalaki.
Exactly, no.
No. Nagpapaganda ako para
Para
pag tumingin
sa
ako sa
lips.
salamin. Parang, wow, sino tong creation ni Lord? Ang ganda!
Favorite ka ni Lord, no? Grabe.
Oo.
Yung tipong titingin ka sa mirror na para, wow!
Na
Mahal
parang-
ka ng Diyos.
Alam kong ako yun, pero napapa-second look ako.
Exactly.
Yun ang goal ko kung bakit ako nagbe-makeup. To make
Exactly.
myself
Feel
look
good
and
look
feel good.
Yeah.
Not for some validation. Kaya this is the perfect shade for
Ay,
me,
ang ganda
for
ng
lipstick. Di ba? And this, tama, look mo siya. Well, yung baba, hindi ko pala lagyan.
Ay,
Yung
oo.
taas pala. Pero, parang natural.
Kissable.
Bahala kayo. May makeup
Exactly.
ako. It's for you to find out. So ako, nilagyan ko yung lipstick ko ng gloss on top. I
Yeah.
told you, di ba, earlier, I'm a big shimmer girly sa eyes. So I like to pair it with shimmer din
On
sa
the
lips.
lips.
Para lang malito kayo. Saan ka titingin? Sa kissable lips ko or sa tantalizing eyes?
Tantalizing eyes. Gusto ko yun.
Malleable.
Malleable.
So, buti na lang, si BYS, meron din siya nito. This is their BYS Glimmer Plumping Lip Oil. So, kung gusto nyo maging, I don't know, gusto nyo bang maging Angelina Jolie with that plump lips? Or the
Angelina.
Kardashians, ganyan. Or you want to set a new trend of having that
Oh.
plump, soft-looking, but also shining, shimmering lips.
Splendid.
Ito na yun. So,
I
let's
really
try
feel it
it.
in my lips. It's,
Talaga.
nakikita niyo na ba? Nagpa-plump na siya.
Ah, mabango.
Diba? Masarap din siya.
If you are familiar dun sa mga gloss
Parang
ng
it's
bagets
like-
ka, yung
Mm-mm.
kulay pink na binibili natin
Yeah.
na 10 pesos nung bagets kami, ate, it's the same smell. So, very nostalgic.
Yeah. Ang bango niya.
Yes. Yeah.
It smells like, there's a candy it smells like din eh.
Ako, ang naalala ko talaga yung lip gloss na tigda
Parang may
10 pesos
candy
yung
siya.
bagets ako.
Parang sarap niyang dilaan. It's yummy I can feel it na.
And look, yes.
No,
And
it's
look at the
plumping lips.
glimmer. Hindi siya super na parang, ano yung nasa bibig mo, kumain ka ng glitters. This one gives you that soft-looking shine.
Yeah, and there are like glittery parang lip glosses that have like an undertone na medyo white.
Yeah.
Yung cast. Ito wala eh. It blends naturally with the lips, no?
And what I like about this plumping lip oil, hindi siya yung ang sakit sa bibig.
Yeah,
You can
yung
feel
parang
it.
may mga langgam na sa lips
Nung kumakagat, parang
Oo.
kumain ng sili. You can
Oo.
feel this, pero subtle lang siya.
Yeah, it's not overwhelming.
Yes.
Right? The makeup,
Patingin ng iyo. Ay, ang ganda. What
Diba?
shade did you use?
I used Lucky Star.
Ah, she's so lucky, she's a star. Ganun
Ganun.
lang. Pero kasi hindi siya umiiyak sa gabi, so hanggang doon lang year ka. And this is in the shade Rose Sparkle.
Rose Sparkle.
Sparkle, diba? If you want to sparkle.
Ay, pero yung lip gloss ko, Solar Glow. O, diba?
Solar Glow.
Lucky Star Solar Glow. So, I am the
Solar
solar system.
Diba? Very Miss Universe. Sa akin is Rose Sparkle together with Man-Eater. Because when you eat a man, you sparkle.
Ay! Matry nga yun.
Diba? So, yan. Ako medyo nakukulangan pa ako sa aking
Okay.
eyes. I like to highlight it with the mascara.
Oh, mascara.
Pero sa lower lash. Kasi gusto ko na yung mata ko nagpa-pop. Ikaw din ba?
Nagpa-pop?
Oo,
Parang
pero-
ganun. Ganon.
And then, since we have here also the cream liner, na blackest black ang shade. Lagyan lang
Blackest
natin ng
black.
very ito. Igagano naman.
I think I'm okay with mine.
Ako, gusto ko lang i-elevate ng konti.
Kasi parang...
Alam mo yung problema mo, kapag alam mo ang ganda ng makeup mo for the day, hindi mo pigilang
Kasi
i-correct.
idagdag, ganyan. Kasi I always get those moments na titingin na ako sa mirror, ganda-ganda na ako, pero sasabihin ko,
Wait, na may kulang.
there's more.
Ayan lang.
Diba? Doesn't it feel so good?
Diba? Oo, ang ganda.
And it didn't even take that long.
True.
Diba?
Tumagal lang dahil sa chismisan
Oo, kasi
namin.
kwento
Pero
na
if you
kwento.
guys are gonna account for everything that we did eye makeup, and that's like what? Two tones lang.
Yeah.
One for the base, and then put a glitter or shimmer. Okay ka na. And then other is this one.
The
Cream to powder cheek blush from
Exactly.
BYS. And the shade Sweet Apple. I just put it there.
Apple.
Diba?
Diba? Ang bilis lang.
And
Different.
lipsticks.
Exactly.
With this lip plumper, which I also love. Kasi
Right.
parang, alam mo yung nasa lips mo, kumain ka lang ng something na minty. So accounting everything that we did on our face today, the palette for the shadow,
Yes.
the cream to powder cheek, and the lipstick, you guys can already elevate your look. As for my brows, girl, kung gusto niyo ng super pahak na brows,
Brow
you can
gel.
just use this.
Yeah, as somebody who has no eyebrows, guys.
Brow gel,
Brow
is,
gel
your
is your
friend.
best friend. Exactly.
Ganyan nyo lang siya.
Try ko kaya.
Yeah.
You think mag-i-improve? That's
Ako,
why...
hindi ako masyado nag-aayos ng brows ko kasi makapal
kasi
yung
maganda yung
strands.
eyebrows mo eh.
So, gusto ko lang siya na ginigel para lang ma-put into place lang siya. Tapos yun na siya.
Me naman, like, wala na nga akong hair sa eyebrows. Tapos, ano pa siya, sabog pa siya. So, I need a gel to, like, make it look presentable. Because if not, magmumukha akong alien.
So,
Ayoko
and we
naman
don't
yun.
want that to happen. Again, makeup here is your best friend.
Exactly.
So, yun. If you guys do want to feel beautiful, look beautiful, these are your 3 best friends. Pero, alam mo, kung ako may recommend sa inyo, go
It's
for
this, The
our
cheek
BYS Cheek Duo. It is your best friend kasi it has a highlighter,
Yeah.
it has a shimmer, and it also has a blush. For me, if you guys are gonna get this, get the 2-in-1, yung may blush
Yeah,
and
the
shimmer. Kasi it completely changed my look. Pero in all fairness, in all honesty, this is really what you need. Kita nyo yan? That subtle glow.
Right?
Na parang, oh my God, she's been in the sun. She has a budget to
Diba?
go to Siargao and surf and meet a lot of foreigners.
Ay, ganun na nga tayo na. Na parang if they see us, wala na.
Oo, parang, ay, galing siya. Ganyan.
Shocks.
Galing siya somewhere.
Nandiyan yung asawa ko.
Yeah.
Pero no, blush on lang to.
True. PYS lang to. Be
Yeah,
yourself
BYS
lang to. Ganyan.
So do you have any advice to our viewers as the president of BYS?
As the
Ikaw
president,
palang
be
CEO ng
yourself.
BYS.
The advice I can give you is stay delulu because it is the Sululu.
Responsibly.
Oo, stay
Okay,
delusional.
wag masyadong,
responsibly. Tsaka kailangan
masyado.
kung delusional ka as a person, dapat may friend ka na very ideal or
Ay,
very
sorry.
realistic.
Hindi tayo maging
Oo.
friends. Parehas tayong
Para sa mga
mag-feed.
delulu. Oo.
Oo. So, okay, last na talaga. Ang dami kong chika. If there's one thing you want people to remember, ano yun?
I want you guys to instill in yourselves na hindi makeup ang magpapa-main character sa inyo.
Yes.
Pagmumukha lang kayong main character because of the makeup. Pero that main character energy, that aura, you are the one that can bring it out.
Yes.
Okay. So sabi ko nga, lagi ko sinasabi, you cannot really shine light to other people's and illuminate that light if you are not shining from within. So kailangan mo ng shine, that extra boost. And speaking of shine, kailangan mo ng blush na may shine. Yun lang siya.
No, but then I really want to thank you guys for watching. Ang first ever episode kayo ay nabinyagan.
True, sana hindi to last dahil sa
Oo
pinagsasabi
nga eh.
namin. I
Oo
think
nga eh.
hindi naman cancelable ang mga takes
Oo.
namin for today.
Sana hindi.
So thank you for having me. And of course, congratulations to everyone for
Yay.
making this happen. Super saya at super ganda.
Nino?
Natin. Amen.
Yes. And that's BYS Studio.
From down here.
Yes.
From down here, from the land down,
Down
under.